Welcome to Beyond the Known, the channel where we explore the wonders of science and the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in all of physics, quantum mechanics. So, what exactly is quantum? The word quantum refers to the smallest possible unit of something, like a single packet of energy or the tiniest piece of light. It's like the building block of reality, and everything we know at the smallest scales works based on these tiny packets. Quantum mechanics is the science that studies how these tiny particles, like electrons or photons, behave. But here's the catch. They don't behave like things we're used to in the big world. When you drop a ball, you know it falls because of gravity. But in the quantum world, things aren't so predictable. Let's start with the basics. In the early 1900s, scientists realized that classical physics, the physics of Isaac Newton, couldn't explain some very strange phenomena. For example, when light shines on certain metals, it ejects electrons, but only if the light has enough energy. This discovery led Max Planck to suggest that energy isn't continuous, like a flowing stream, but comes in small packets called quanta. Albert Einstein then showed that light itself is made up of tiny particles called photons, which behave like both particles and waves. This idea of wave-particle duality is central to quantum mechanics. Now let's talk about some of the weirdest and most amazing features of the quantum world. First, there's quantum superposition, which means that particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. Imagine you're flipping a coin, and instead of it being heads or tails, it's somehow both at once until you look at it. This is the idea behind Schrödinger's cat, a thought experiment where a cat is inside a box and is both alive and dead at the same time until someone opens the box to check. Then there's quantum entanglement, which is even stranger. When two particles become entangled, they're connected in such a way that no matter how far apart they are, changing one instantly changes the other. This happens faster than the speed of light, and was so strange that even Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Another important idea is the uncertainty principle, introduced by Werner Heisenberg. It says that you can't measure certain things about a particle, like its position and speed, with perfect accuracy at the same time. The more you know about one, the less you can know about the other. This isn't because we lack the right tools, but because this fuzziness is built into the fabric of reality itself. Quantum mechanics also explains how particles like electrons behave like waves in certain situations, creating interference patterns, as seen in the double-slit experiment. This experiment showed that particles act like waves when no one is watching, but behave like particles when observed, suggesting that the act of observing reality can actually change it. These strange behaviors have real-world applications. Without quantum mechanics, we wouldn't have things like computers, smartphones, lasers, or MRI machines. In fact, quantum mechanics is the foundation of modern technology. Today, scientists are using quantum mechanics to develop quantum computers, which use qubits instead of traditional bits. Qubits can exist in multiple states at once, allowing quantum computers to perform incredibly complex calculations much faster than regular computers. Quantum mechanics is also being used to create unbreakable encryption systems to keep information secure, using the principles of entanglement and superposition. But even with all these amazing discoveries, quantum mechanics is still a mystery in many ways. It challenges how we think about reality itself. One interpretation, called the many worlds theory, suggests that every time a quantum decision happens, the universe splits into different versions, creating a multiverse of infinite possibilities. Another interpretation, called pilot wave theory, tries to explain quantum mechanics using hidden variables, but no single explanation has been accepted by all scientists. What makes quantum mechanics so exciting is that it shows us how little we truly know about the universe. It's like opening a door to a world of infinite possibilities, where the rules we thought we understood don't apply. Who knows what incredible discoveries lie ahead as we continue to explore this strange and fascinating realm. Thank you for watching Beyond the Known. If you enjoyed this journey into the quantum world, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more mind-blowing explorations. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to explore next. And remember, the universe is full of mysteries. And there's always more beyond the known.